Hi, Robbie Balenger here to talk to you about focus. We could all use more focus and less distractions, and the Focus channel provides an easy, powerful way to achieve it. I've been using NuCalm for several years, so when the company launched a new journey or a new channel, I'm always excited to see what they've created. When I first listened to Focus, I was blown away. With no effort and without paying attention, within just a few minutes of listening to Focus with the headphones, I noticed that my mind was laser focused. I was thinking through things in a direct, heightened state of comprehension and didn't have to reread anything. That's the mental work related part of using Focus. I can concentrate better, learn new concepts faster, and get more done in less time. But when I see the most value for me with Focus is during long runs. I use Ignite to give me energy boost and to overcome mental and physical fatigue. But I can't listen to Ignite for hours on end. I'd blow through my energy reserves. For me and most endurance athletes, the mental battle is a challenge. Running long distances with a constant battle going on between your ears. Now I put Focus on and can go for hours without the mental fatigue.